Hello and welcome to another special episode of Ken's New Jersey Garage. Filmed in New Jersey, in my garage. I'm Ken Clark of HBS Dealer Magazine. Today is Reader Mail Day. First letter is from Eric, who writes, "You need to remove the garage door header trim piece, shorten it slightly, then reinstall." I think he's talking about this. Thank you, Eric. Next letter is from Lisa, who asks, "Can you demonstrate the benefits of Sakrete Pro Mix all-purpose cement mix?" Yes, we can, Lisa. First of all, Pro Mix can handle repairs from 0 to 4 inches. Not many products can match that range. And the really cool thing about Pro Mix, one, it's fun and easy to mix, but it's also fast, but not too fast. It sets in 15 minutes, allowing time for adjustments, and that's a big deal on the job site. And this is our heavy-duty rubber mold for our demonstration. It's indestructible. So let's fill it up the mold and watch how fast it sets. The All Pro Mix products are formulated to reach structural strength in just 1 hour, compared to the 3 days it takes regular concrete, so that's pretty amazing. Now for the big reveal. Pro Mix is formulated to better match concrete gray, which is another big deal for concrete repairs. And there you have it. In just under an hour, we've got a rock-solid repair here. And this will have a final strength of 9,000 pounds per square inch. That's strong enough for a warehouse floor or a little garden disc. Thanks for watching Ken's New Jersey Garage. For more products and more information, visit hbsdealer.com.